So I'm going to do a little quick video for you about the Biological Compounds Lab. The Biological Compounds Lab is about indicator solutions. In biology, scientists often use indicator solutions to indicate the presence of proteins, starches, or fats. So the problem that I have is I made one of these and it was way too long, so I'm going to have to shorten this down to the abbreviated version or it won't be able to be a YouTube. The purpose of this is for you to see what reactions occur, and you're really looking for reactions. So let me show you the setup and explain what happened. Here, whoa, isn't that pretty? That's how yours should end up looking. Boy, up above. Maybe I move this thing there. There we go. So the setup was that in each of 6 wells, you were supposed to put water, albumin, unknown solution, saliva, bread or potato, and a fatty acid or an oil food. So the water, of course, you just use tap water. Albumin came with your kit, okay, as did the unknown solution, going really fast, the Sudan solution, the iodine, and the copper sulfate. So your indicators are the Sudan, the copper sulfate, and the iodine. Those are your 3 indicators. Your albumin, I'll just give you a hint on that one, comes from eggs. So which of the 3 do you believe that it is? Do you think it's a carbohydrate, a protein, or a fat? The unknown solution, you don't know what it is. The saliva, we're not even talking about where we got the saliva sample from. And the bread or potato, I used bread. And then finally the fatty acid, I just went down to the kitchen and grabbed some oil, and what could be fattier than that? So here's how it turned out. Water didn't react with anything. Now when you record your changes, water's that first row. Well, iodine and water turns yellow. That's not a change. That's just the color of the 2 mixing. The same thing with the Sudan. A light blue color doesn't mean any color change, and the same thing, it's not the Sudan, the copper sulfate. And then the Sudan, no change. So water is our control. Okay, it's just used to compare. So what happened with iodine as we go down the row? Nothing, 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 nothing. Ooh! Who's black? Well, as it turns out, the black was the unknown solution. The only other reaction we got with iodine was with the bread. Trying to go move this thing so you can see it. Oh, maybe go a little bit further out. Yeah, there we go. No, there. Okay, you're going to take my word for it. See that other black thing? That's a piece of bread in with some iodine. So of the 3 proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, what do you know bread to be? And so what would you say the reaction with iodine is for that one? Okay, so let's take a look with the copper sulfate. The only reaction that you get is with the albumin. You get a color change. So again, see that dark blue? That's a reaction. The others just are all kind of light blue. Nothing, nothing, nothing. So the only reaction you're going to get with the copper sulfate is with that albumin. Now the Sudan, same kind of thing. Red and water, that's just red. That's not a reaction. But when you go down here to the fat, it looks like it's a real orangey color. This is going to be way better when you've got it right in front of you, but I'm just giving you hints as to where to look for color change. So in summary, the color changes you're looking for have to be distinct color changes. So it's either, if all they do is mix, that's not a change. You should see a distinctive color change. So see if you can figure out what these things are indicator solutions for. This, of course, was predictable. What these things are indicator solutions for, and see if you can then go and participate in the discussion. Hope this helps.